Today I'll be showing you how to play Potion. The song is played in the key of B minor with two sharps, C sharp and F sharp. The first chord is a B minor 7. On the left you have your B octaves, on the right you have F sharp, A and D. The second chord is an A/B. On the left you have B octaves, on the right you have A, C sharp and E. This other chord is a B major 7. On the left you have G octaves, on the right you have F sharp, B and D. The next chord is an E minor 7. On the left you have E octaves, on the right you have D, G, B and D. Next we have F sharp minor 7. On the left we have F sharp octaves, on the right we have E, A, C sharp and E. So again we have B minor 7, A/B, G major 7, E minor 7, and F sharp minor 7. After the first two chords, we have an optional chord that sometimes is added. This chord is the B7. On the left you have B octaves, on the right you have F sharp, A and D sharp. You can sometimes use the A, D sharp and F sharp instead. It's just a different inversion. When I play the B7 chord, on my left hand, I also go B, A, G. And as soon as I hit the G, I do the G major 7 chord. So let's play that whole sequence again. B minor 7, A/B, B7, G major 7, E minor 7, F sharp minor 7. And the entire song, the verse, the chorus, is going to be the same chords. Feel free to freestyle a little bit with the same chords but different inversions. And there you have it.